when are you guys gonna have kids? Why don't you have kids yet?
Will and I have been trying to conceive and start our family, and nothing was really working for us.
I always thought I would have no problems getting pregnant.
Today I am going in to see a urologist.
People need to realize that question isn't really, I think, one that needs to be asked. This is our journey with infertility.
After not being able to conceive naturally, we began our assisted fertility journey.
So this is where I've had to do my injections around the lower belly area.
Not bad at all. It looks a lot scarier than it is. It's not painful at all. I didn't even feel it.
Unfortunately, the first 3 IVF cycles failed.
I completed the egg retrieval surgery and was able to freeze 8 embryos.
Yeah, seems to look the best.
And transfer 1.
Please cooperate.
That one seemed to have worked as I got a positive pregnancy test, but then I found out later that it stopped growing and resulted in pregnancy. We then decided to take a break from it all.
A lot of people struggle with this, and some have struggled for years. It's a really sensitive subject.
Just got my period. It's so disappointing to see every month when you're trying so hard.
The operation should do a varicocele surgery. The whole surgery could possibly work, or it could possibly not.
I had cysts in my left ovary that had to be removed.
I have polycystic ovarian syndrome.
I had to have a giant cyst removed on one of my ovaries, so my right side is pretty damaged. I only have one side that's working really well.
I did have testicular cancer, and I had surgery to have it removed. And when you go through things together as a couple, it really builds you. And it's really made us realize we have to rely on each other. It strengthened us.
I did a blood test this morning to check my HCG levels and the pregnancy hormone, and now we're going back for our appointment with the doctor. It's at 12:30 and she's gonna give us the results.
Okay, guess what?
What?
It's positive!
Oh my god!
Feel different?
I do, yeah.
Yeah, that's because you're pregnant! Congratulations!
Thank you. I can't believe it.
Oh.
I'm going to give you a good news to you too.
It works?
Yes. The love hormone is 325.
You are officially pregnant.
Friends, today is Callie's adoption court date. How grateful we are for the gift of adoption of their daughters.
A lot of people do suffer with infertility, and it's hard. There's a lot that goes into it, and especially when you're ready to have kids and you're excited for it, it's a waiting game and it can be a little bit challenging, but I feel like if you keep your spirits up and you stay positive and you look for the bright side, then everything will work out how it needs to on the right timing.